Hello, we are now back to the sound for kidneys and bladders. So the sound is tree, tree, tree. The spelling in Chinese is C H U and I. So we can do it together. C H U I. The pronunciation, the mouth, when you move at the beginning is move slightly forward and then you move backwards. The corners of the mouth move slightly backwards. The tongue is flat and the tip of the tongue touching the lower teeth. So let's practice again. Tree, tree, tree. When you make the sound, you feel that at the end of the tree, you have this middle part of the body activated, particularly resonate with your kidneys. And for me, there's the E at the end of the tree, the E, I resonate and connect with my kidneys. I imagine the flow, the strength of my kidneys. All right, are you ready to practice again? Let's do it again. Tree, tree, tree. I feel when I pronounce the sound for kidneys, my kidney is happily singing together. So there's quite a big connection between my sound, my organ, and my mind and my body. All right, that's all for the sound. I hope you get the correct sound and you enjoy the Chinese pronunciation. And I'll see you soon at the moment. The movement sound for kidneys. So we did learn just now the sound is tree. Now we're gonna combine the tree together with the kidney movement. Where we stopped from movement 4 is here. So we had last one. And we gently relax the fingers, relax the wrists. We bring the hands horizontally parting to the side and then moving to the back, to the lower back, with fingers pointing to the ground. And then inhale, exhale, tree. All right, I'm going to move on my back. I will show you the hands position. Tree. Did you see clearly? So what I do is I will do this combined with sound and tell you a few special places that we need to pay a little bit attention. So start from here. Tree. Tree. tree, 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 so now I will demonstrate on the back side. Before I do that, I just want to show you one small thing is when you're moving hands coming to your waistline, when you're doing this, it's not just a touch. It's actually a very important massage. From the Chinese traditional medicine, there's a meridian line called Dai Mai. So you massage, see, when you move along the waistline before you end up on the lower back, just give yourself not hard, but really a nice massage along the waistline before settling on the back, and then massage the kidney, the lower back, while moving hands down, and pronounce tree the same time. All right, so now I will turn my back facing you, and instead of doing 6 times, which we normally do, I will do 3 times to demonstrate the hands position. I will still make the sound, so let's see how it goes. This is the section 5, the movement 5, sound for kidneys. I hope this really connects you with your center of the body. When you massage your waistline, when you really give yourself a nice, mindful massage to your lower back and to connect with your kidney together with tree, the sound. Lower back, chronic lower back pain is one of the major chronic disease medical conditions in Australia, and I do hope some of you may get some relief through this practice, and please do let me know how things are going. The key to succeed, or the key to succeed, is to practice on a daily basis, even just short time. It's almost the body need that reminder, the body need that reconnection, the body need regular daily nourishment from you. All right, I'll see you soon for the sound, the last sound, the movement 6.